President Yoweri Museveni of Uganda has called upon Russia and China to invest in the continent's manufacturing sector instead of solely relying on importing raw materials. In a message emphasizing the importance of true friendship and solidarity, President Museveni urged the two nations to support Africa's growth and economic development by investing in local industries instead. Listen to his speech.
Only producing raw materials of agriculture, minerals, etc., and abstaining from adding value. A kilogram of good coffee today earns about $2.5. The same kilogram roasted and processed outside Africa earns about $40. So we get $2.5 for a kilo of coffee. Somebody who is clever outside gets $40. This is the hemorrhage that has stunted Africa's growth. There are other bottlenecks, but I do not have time to go into them. Therefore, my proposal to our allies of Russia, India, China, etc., is to point out to them that they could help here by policy decisions to buy value-added products from Africa rather than raw materials. Those are products like processed coffee instead of bean coffee, chocolate instead of cocoa beans, textiles instead of just cotton, steel instead of iron ore. Iron ore, we call it, our languages are richer than English, we call it obtare. Obtare, that's iron ore, different from the metro. Electric batteries instead of just lithium, etc. Part of the issues we are solving among ourselves in Africa is the issue of the free flow of goods and services in the continental free trade area. If this is addressed, the problem of food, which people are talking about so much, for African societies, will also be partially addressed.
More wealth leaves Africa every year than enters it, by more than $40 billion, 31 billion euros, according to research that challenges misleading perceptions of foreign aid. Analysis by a coalition of UK and African equality and development campaigners, including Global Justice Now, claims the rest of the world is profiting more than most African citizens from the continent's wealth. It said African countries received $162 billion in 2015, mainly in loans, aid, and personal remittances. But in the same year, $203 billion was taken from the continent, either directly through multinationals repatriating profits and illegally moving money into tax havens, or by costs imposed by the rest of the world through climate change adaptation and mitigation. Africa has considerable riches. South Africa's potential mineral wealth is estimated to be around $2.5 trillion, while the mineral reserves of the Democratic Republic of the Congo are thought to be worth $24 trillion. However, the continent's natural resources are owned and exploited by foreign private corporations. The elite and African rulers have abandoned the people and are dining with their former colonizers. They are in cahoots with those that are shamelessly plundering people's resources. Many African rulers are in power through the help of the imperial masters. They are therefore obedient to them. Illicit financial flows rob Africa and its people of their prospects, undermining transparency and accountability and eroding trust in African institutions. The constitutions in most countries, written with guidance from the imperial masters, have no checks and balances, hence no accountability. These constitutions serve not the people, but the political thugs in power. Ever since the people of Africa encountered Europeans 500 years ago, Africa has given everything. The West still wants more. Where would the Western world be without Africa? They take everything from Africa: cocoa, timber, uranium, platinum, gold, diamonds, and oil. Many Western countries have no natural resources and are completely dependent on Africa. Yet, one hears their arrogant claim that Africa needs them. Will Africa ever benefit from its natural resources is a question that is more relevant now than ever, as new discoveries of coal, oil, and gas across East Africa look set to transform global energy markets, and we hope it's going to benefit the economies of those countries. Will Africa ever benefit from its natural resources? Let us know in the comment box below. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel so YouTube can share this video with more people like you. Until next time, cheers. Have a good one.